This is the easiest way to earn over $1,000 a day using AI and ChatGPT. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, in today's video, not only am I going to show you how to diversify your income, but I'm going to be giving you a full done-for-you system that includes this checklist right here that has step-by-step of where to start, how to create a funnel. You're going to be getting a simplified checklist, which I'm going to go over here shortly. You're going to get a bunch of prompts that I use for ChatGPT. You're going to be getting a list of 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. You're going to get done for you emails, and you're going to get a list of done for you short form content that you can start posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and everything that we're going to be talking about in today's video is all free. And you can get access to all of this just by hitting this subscribe button, drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and just send this to one person that you think this will help. Everything free of charge. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com. Boom. You can grab the free checklist here, and then it will take you to, boom, the Digital Playbook Google Sheet. Now, this is a more in-depth kind of going through, step by step. Go right here. You can check everything off. YouTube videos about where to start. For this video, we're just going to start with the get started here. 6 steps. If you want to get up and running as fast as possible, this is what you got to do. So first one, you're just going to grab this tool called Go High Level. I talk about it a lot, but essentially it's an all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to create websites, create funnels, and create emails or schedule out emails, automations, build automations. And also it has a scheduling tool that allows you to schedule out your content weeks, even months in advance if you have the time. Big Cyber Week going on. It ends in a couple days, 50% off. Grab this free trial. And then once you put in your email, phone number, you will get taken to this page right here. And the 3 areas that I want to be talking about are going to be sites, automations, and marketing. First, let's talk about the front end, which is going to be your funnels and sites. Now, the funnel that we're going to be talking about is this funnel right here, because if we go to step 4 right here, you're going to be able to import a snapshot. And what this is, it allows you to import everything that I'm using in my systems. So you'll get all my emails, all my funnels, all my websites, all my automations directly into your account. So you can go ahead and hit import, and then that puts everything into your account. Now, once you do that, if you want help setting everything up, go ahead and join the free kickoff call. Shoot me an email as well. That email goes directly to my phone, so I know that I have a call coming up. If you're like me sometimes, self-sufficient, just go ahead and hop into the free course that I made. There's about like 35 to 7-minute videos that take you through step by step about how to do everything. If these videos on YouTube just don't go into enough detail, which I'm sorry, because just try to make these as quick as possible. But let's hop back into the software. So this is the funnel that you're going to want to edit and use. And it's a very simple funnel. Right here, title, I'm talking about AI. So this is what I'm going to have as my title. And then right here, you're going to want a longer form video, 7-10 minutes, going a little bit more in depth about whatever tool or product that you are talking about and promoting. Because a lot of the traffic or views that you're going to be getting on this video or on this funnel are going to be coming from your short form content that you're posting on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram. And then this allows it to convert people at a much higher rate. And all you need for them to do is just put in their name and email. And then once they do, we're going to go into step 2, and then just going to take them into an email automation. Now, this email automation right here has about 60 emails that go over the span of about 2 months. But what I like about this is, you see this right here? This has your affiliate link. Now, if we check this out, you'll see a custom value right here. Now, there's a custom value because if not, every time someone would upload my snapshot, it would have my affiliate link in it. And then people would have to manually go into every email and change out my affiliate link for their affiliate link of whatever tool that they're promoting at that time. So to help with you, I've put in this custom value, and to add in your affiliate link to all those different custom values, all you're going to need to do is just go to settings. Then we're going to go over here to custom values, and then we are going to create new value. Boom, could be whatever name you want. Affiliate link. Right here is going to be the URL or your affiliate link that you're going to want to be promoting. And then you're going to hit create. I'm not going to do that since I already have. Boom. Mine's right here. So boom, every time someone would click on that custom value in an email, they will get taken to that affiliate link. All right, so we talked about the front end, the back end. Now let's talk about the scheduling tool. So this is the social planner right here. This allows you to schedule out content. So what you need to do is I need to start scheduling out some more content. That's going to be what I'm going to do over the weekend. Go to settings. You're going to want to connect your social media accounts. If you have one, that's perfect. That's all you need to start taking action. Then to get different type of videos that you're going to want to promote, just hop over here to the IG Reels tab, and there is probably tens of hundreds of like 200 plus videos in Google Drives that are short form content that are proven to get engagement from the number of comments and likes that have been replicated from other Instagram accounts that have made videos that are proven to work. So what you're going to do is just download as many as you can. I would suggest if you're first starting off, take a couple hours and schedule out a good 2 to 3 weeks of content. That will help you so much without stressing about every day having to post and get content out. So once you download a couple of these videos, once you get inside your social planner, all you'll do is you'll hit boom, add, connect whichever social media account you want, type in some form of engaging caption like comment AI if you want my free checklist. And I say free checklist because a lot of times people don't know what to use as a free resource. I'm giving you guys permission to just go here, make a copy, and then you can start giving the digital playbook out as your enticing free checklist or free resource. I mean, people are going to hop into your email list to get this because this is unreal valuable information. So hopping back into here, boom, type a comment. You're going to add your video, and then you will hit, let's go ahead and add a video. Change this to reel, and then boom, you're going to hit post. And then high level, no pun intended, but that's pretty much it. Get that free trial, hop in a kickoff call with me if you need help setting everything up. Begin watching of our full course, import snapshot, contact, and then pick whichever tool that you want to get paid to promote. Now, if you've made it this far, leave a comment below if you want me to make a full like 3-4 hour video explaining everything, every single step by step of how to get started. I know in these YouTube videos, I don't do that because people wouldn't watch that. But if I have enough of my subscribers and people that are truly interested in how to actually set up every little thing, step by step, get a domain, I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. So just let me know down in the comments. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got value. And that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.